how to read a credit report on Equifax. Make sure to watch till the end. Let's get started. The first thing you will see on your Equifax report is your personal information like your full name, address, and social security number. Next, you will find your credit account information. This is reported to Equifax by your lenders and creditors. It includes the types of accounts you have, the date they were open, your credit limit or loan amount, current balances, and your payment history. After that, you will see your inquiry information, which comes in two types: hard inquiries and soft inquiries. A hard inquiry happens when a lender checks your credit to make a credit decision. Multiple hard inquiries can affect your credit score for up to 2 years. A soft inquiry may appear if you check your own credit report, a creditor reviews your report for an existing account, or if lenders check your credit to provide pre-approved offers. Next, your report will show any bankruptcies along with the details like the filing date and type of bankruptcy. Finally, you will see collection accounts. These are past due accounts turned over to collection agencies. They could include credit card loans, medical bills, retail store debts, cable or phone bills, and other unpaid balances. That's all.